Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting power and a wired connection in place. This prevents flaky Wi-Fi during fixes. Once done, unplug the router, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in to clear temporary errors. Make sure you connect your computer to LAN port 1 with an Ethernet cable so you won't be interrupted by wireless drops. Open the Nighthawk app or go to 192, 168, 1, 1. You need the admin login now. These steps set a reliable baseline for the deeper fixes that follow. Next, you update firmware because many connectivity issues stem from outdated code. Download and apply the latest Netgear release. Do not interrupt the process. If problems persist, back up current settings, then perform a factory reset to clear corrupted configs. Restore only verified settings after testing. While you are in the admin UI, confirm DHCP is enabled, WAN type matches your ISP, and DNS entries are correct. Incorrect values can cause slow or no internet, so double-check each field carefully. For final steps, set critical devices to static IPs to avoid DHCP conflicts, and isolate the issue by testing one change at a time. Tweak wireless channels and bandwidth. Choose 20, 40, or 80 MHz depending on congestion to improve throughput. If you use CoS, prioritize key services and reboot the router after adjustments. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: restore the factory default and reapply only essential settings. This frequently clears hidden configuration corruption and gets you back to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.